There's a snowstorm coming, Minnie. Why are you climbing? You're not. What are you doing? Hi. Is there another snowstorm coming? Super windy. What do you need, Minnie? Look at the trees moving, man. There's trees moving. So far, it's just windy. See what tomorrow brings, man. Are you gonna hide? Gonna hide? Yes. You're not happy. You're not going around cuckoo like you were last time, though. You're just scared. I think I know what your problem. You don't like the wind. Hi. You don't like the wind. It's just so dark. Guess we wait and see, Minnie. Okay, let's go house. Minnie house. Minnie house. Oh, you want me to go first? Come on, house. Minnie house. Come on. Okay, I'll go first. Go on, house. No. Okay.